6 ways to make friends. As the saying goes, friends are the relatives that we choose. Friends are an integral part of our lives, and while making new friends may seem intimidating, it's extremely rewarding. Friends are the ones with whom we can share everything and anything without having to filter words or emotions. They're like relatives, but better. Support and advice from true friends guides us in the right direction in our journey and makes a world of difference to our quality of life. Life wouldn't be as enjoyable and meaningful without good friends. However, not everyone is lucky enough to have a great set of friends. Some people are just too reserved, shy, and introverted to open up in social settings to make friends easily. If you don't have many friends, or if you want to make new friends, we'll discuss in this video a few ways that will put you on the right path. Start with people that you know. It may be difficult to approach new people or strangers, so start by approaching people that you already know, at work, school, the gym, or in your neighborhood. Invite them to join you for a simple activity. You may not get a positive response from everyone, but unless you're a joker, some people will want to hang out with you. Join meetup groups. Many social networking sites have groups based on interests. Whether you're interested in business or hiking or taxidermy, there are groups out there that have monthly or even weekly meetups. Explore these opportunities to meet and socialize with interesting and like-minded people. Go to parties. Don't say no to parties and get-together invitations, even if they do make you uncomfortable. If you're shy and reserved, it's important to come out of your comfort zone. And it can only happen when you meet new people, so go to parties and social events and interact. Exchange phone numbers and plan to meet up later. A simple text can lead to a lifelong friendship. You never know. Be open-minded. One of the first hurdles to making friends is to be open-minded. Let people be themselves and try to focus on the good stuff. No one is perfect and everyone is different. You may not share the same taste in tattoos or views on the Great Reset, but it doesn't mean that you can't be good friends. Connect genuinely. Be authentic and connect genuinely with other people. Take turns at listening and show an interest. Don't try to revolve the friendship only around you and your issues and interests. Give the other person the attention and commitment that they deserve as your friend. Give them your time and attention and show genuine concern when they need it. Stay in touch. In friendship, communication is important, and it has to be both ways. Reciprocation plays a vital role in any relationship, and it's no different in a friendship. Make an effort to stay in touch with your friends, old and new. You might get busy, or the other person might get busy, but it doesn't mean you don't have time to make a quick call or send a quick text. True friends lighten up life and make it worth living. Friends help cheer you up in the darkest of times and give you strength to move on when you almost feel like giving up. Friends are the reason why celebrations are special. It is important to make an effort to meet new people and to go that extra mile for friends both new and old. Don't get intimidated easily and stay on course. Soon you'll have a group of people around you who will enrich your life. Please hit like, subscribe, and feel free to share it with your friends. If you want to be notified of all new videos, also hit the notification button. Thank you.